Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special car. It's a 1973 Pontiac Grand Am. Beautiful. We got the owner here who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Martin?
Good, doing good. Bought the car in 2011, just the way you see it. And what I did do was we rebuilt the engine.
Okay, it's a 400 two-barrel. 400
two-barrel. And we kept it all original. Everything inside the car is original, as best to my knowledge. All the motor parts were rebuilt. The alternator, fuel pumps, all of that stuff was the carburetor. Everything was rebuilt to spec and to the right color, and brought back exactly the way it was supposed to be.
Oh man, you don't see these around anymore.
Nah, very rare to see these. The 73 is in good shape without all the rot.
Yeah.
And it is the original color. I think it's called Ascot Silver.
Cool.
I think that's the name of it.
Sounds right.
Yep. All the glass is original on the car, and the interior is completely original.
Love the nose on it.
We even put the original speaker grills back in. We had a fine nose and the original speaker grills. So whatever you see on the car is pretty much original and brought back to the way it was back in 1973.
Very cool.
It was the first year for radial tires. And we put a pair of these BF Goodrich radial TAs. Not quite sure if that's the original, but it's close to the original look.
Sure. Definitely looks period correct. 400 6.5 liter. Gentleman's muscle car back in the day. Beautiful chrome, paint, stainless.
And I'm the second owner.
Two owners.
Yes, the first owner was, they were up in Pennsylvania, I believe.
Wow.
And we bought the car from her.
Very cool.
She had the car restored, paint-wise.
Okay.
She did all of that, and whatever she did to the interior.
Interior, so plush.
Right. This is the only thing that's not original. Was this had to be redone. Okay. It's not perforated like the other side.
Oh, okay.
Like actually the back, that's original.
Okay.
And this is not. This is smooth. It's supposed to be like that, I believe.
Still looks great. Showing 24,014 miles. Sounds good, huh? Got the Rolling Stones 8-track in here. So you can see the clock is still working. It's a pretty rare option. That's usually an open cubby hole, right? Is that the original owner's manuals?
Yeah, that's all original paperwork over there.
Very cool.
See that kit for the tire? The tire kit?
Yeah, very cool.
Found that yesterday.
Get out of here. Beautiful back seat. Johnny Lightning included. So you have a matching Hot Wheels. It's actually one on the key ring also. 8 tracks. Nice assortment of 8 tracks you can use while you're cruising around.
This car was redone over here, this piece back here, but we didn't do the dashboard.
Okay.
Kind of left it. Wasn't close enough to do that.
Got a nice sound to it. Okay. So Flowmaster?
Whatever came in the car, that's what I put back.
Okay.
And because the pipes that they had on there was not original, so I went to try to find something that was original for the car.
Very cool.
They weren't coming out the back. Actually, I think it had single exhaust on it. I can't remember. And I went to the dual exhaust.
It's been a while.
Well, I think that was just an option one.
Oh, the dual exhaust?
Yeah, so I want the dual exhaust to give it a little bit more sound, so that's why I did that.
Man, beautiful under the hood. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.